50 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Cessna 07 Golf, you can turn left there at Foxtrot. Where are you parking? Jet Prob 8 Bravo Charlie, standby. I got an aircraft just sitting on the runway. Cessna 07 Golf, where are you going to park?
I'm sorry, sir, I don't know where to.
Cessna 07 Golf, just stop your aircraft then. Cessna 07 Golf, what is it that you need while you're here? Okay, there we go. Now we got you figured out. Why don't you just make a 180 and hold short of the runway?
Yes, sir.
Cessna 4 Victor Uniform, runway 17, your cleared option. You can turn right on course, maintain 6,000 on the go.
Okay, 17 clear for the option, and then direct on course up to 6,000, 4 Victor Uniform, thanks. Ryan Tower, 07 Golf, holding short.
November 1307 Golf, Salina Tower, continue holding.
07 Golf, continue holding. 4 Victor Uniform has crossed out, Gog.
So 4 Victor Uniform, roger.
Salina Tower, N1307 Golf, holding short at Foxtrot. Requesting permission for takeoff to the southwest.
So 1307 Golf, Salina Tower, continue holding.
Roger that, continuing rolling. And I'm sorry about all that confusion.
07 Golf, continue holding, not rolling, continue holding.
Going around 4 Victor Uniform.
Cessna 4 Victor Uniform, roger, go around, and you can enter a left downwind, or actually just proceed right on course.
4 Victor Uniform proceeding on course, thanks for the help.
Cessna 1307 Golf, runway 17 at Foxtrot, clear for takeoff.
And 1307 Golf, clear for takeoff.
Cessna 4 Victor Uniform, contact Kansas City Center.
Over to center, good luck, 4 Victor Uniform.
Thank you.
Salina Tower, N1307 Golf, I am so sorry about that.
So 07 Golf, just listen a little bit more carefully.
Yes, sir.